In this video, I will show 5 underrated tips to use Google Search Console for your content marketing. Number 1, I call expand your champion post. What do I mean? Once you log into your Google Search Console, you click the search result. Let's say your website using /blog as a subfolder so you can apply the filter. Once you have the result, I will click the page and then you sort by clicks. Basically, these pages is your champion page. So they have the highest click. So click in mind, clicks is the most valuable. Based on these top pages, you can expand. Let's say the first page talk about SEO, so you expand the view. This is called horizontal. So okay, based on each champion post, you expand it. The second tip is improve the second or third page to the first page. Let's say you click the average position, then you can click the position, you can sort by position. I will look at the position 11, 12, meaning that the second page or more, improve that. Because basically this is like the low hanging fruit, meaning you put more effort, then you will increase to first page. Just that simple. The third tip is you need to play how the clicks, impression, CTR, how the combination to find the priority. For example, I can filter by CTR. I can know which page has the highest CTR, which one is the lowest, then so what? So you can further it down. Let's say I want to filter by impression. Wow, this one is like 1 million something but 0% CTR. So you can play with this combination to find which post you should prioritize. Make a list which one you should do first, phase by phase. The fourth tip is you can use a search console to look for trend or seasonal or pattern. This one I already filtered a keyword, then I can know this one is a spike. Then you can see the similar pattern throughout the maximum 16 months. So this is a very good indicator. You should do this kind of content regularly during that period. You can prepare in advance looking at this kind of trend. The last tip is involve AI. Basically is you can export, then you can download the Excel. So you can ask ChatGPT to analyze what's the relationship, what's the category, the cluster, any correlation or any opportunity. So you can ask. So this is something new. Last time we didn't have ChatGPT or AI. So I hope these 5 tips can help you to improve your content marketing using Google Search Console. Learn something new, like this video.